Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create Helium 10 account. To do so, firstly, you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.helium10.com and then press enter. This will take you to the website. Now, if you're wondering what Helium 10 is, Helium 10 is a suite of powerful tools designed specifically for Amazon sellers to optimize and grow their businesses on the platform. It is a valuable resource for Amazon sellers looking to streamline their operations, increase their visibility, and maximize their profitability on the platform. Now, to sign up or create an account, you will have to go to the sign up button, which is on the left side of your screen as well. Or you can also click on the top right corner of your screen where you can see the sign up for free button in blue. Here, you will have to enter your credentials. However, if you do have an account, you may click on the already have an account login link right below the sign up button. If you don't have an account yet, you may create one by filling your details, like your name in the first text box, then your email in the second, and then your password in the third. While filling in your password, you will have to make sure you fulfill those criterias. Now, you will have to click on the box right above the sign up button to make sure that you agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions of the website. Once you filled in all your details, you may click on the sign up button. Now, the website may ask you a few questions. Here, you can see the question, how would you identify yourself? If you're a seller or a brand or an agency or a consultant or an aggregator. And if you've not started a business yet or have not started selling on Amazon yet, you may click on that option as well. Once you choose an option, you may scroll down and click on the next button in blue. Once you click on the next button, a new page opens up where you will be able to look at different features of this website. If you want to purchase these features or the products, then you will have to pay for it. You have the starter features, the platinum, or the diamond. If you don't want to purchase anything right now, you may click on the not right now button below. Once you click on that button, then on the next page, you can see that the website shows you different tools offered. However, you may just click on Go to My Dashboard to skip this. Once you do so, you can see that you have successfully created an account in Helium 10. If you want to check your account, you may click on the top right corner where you can see your name. Once you click on that, you can see a drop-down opens up where your details are given, like your email and your name. This is how you can easily create an account in Helium 10. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.